Hello, lovely. How are you? I'm Yasmin from Tiny Time Big Results, where I help small business owners like you run a profitable business in 20 hours a week or less. Now, when I was a little girl, and on the odd time that we were taken to the cinema, I'd get really excited because this one particular time, a new ice cream booth had opened up at the local cinema. And I went in, I was so excited, and then my jaw just dropped because there was so many flavors. It wasn't like vanilla and strawberry and that was it, or chocolate. There was 32 flavors. You might remember Baskin Robbins, they came out and they had this amazing array of ice cream flavors. And there's little old me thinking, how on earth am I going to choose which ice cream I want to have? And this was a big decision for me because we didn't get to go to the cinema that often. Getting an ice cream was an incredible treat. So I had to be really careful about my choice. And my little face was screwed up. And if you have read my book, Tiny Time Big Results, then you'll know that I share this story in the book. Because there's my little face all scrunched up and thinking, which one will I have? And then this woman handed me a magic spoon. She gave me a little pink spoon and she said, why don't you try? And I went, I can try before I buy. It blew my mind. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, because when you allow your prospect, your new subscriber, your new community member to try before they buy, it lowers the risk considerably for them. And what that means then is you are offering them something and they're thinking, oh, I like this, I want more, or oh, that's not for me. And that's okay. You see, the thing is, if you only ever invite people to book a free call with you, book your consultation or your discovery call or your whatever you call it, and there's nothing else for them to try, then that can be a high risk activity for people if they're not ready, if they're not quite sure they want to go that far just yet. Whereas if you have a free offer, a free opt-in gift, you often hear it called lots of different names, like a lead magnet. And it's, you're familiar, you probably landed on websites where you can see, get my free cheat sheet or my free video series, or I've got a free guide. And what that allows you to do is to experience that person and the work that they do. And, if it's a video, you get to know them. You get to hear their voice, you get to see what they look like, and you can build a connection with them. But if you don't have anything like that, then it's really hard for them to be able to make a decision about whether you're right for them or not. So just like me with ice cream, I needed to try before I bought. So, I try a flavor and you think, oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go for that one. You don't want to be there eating something and then go, oh, it's disgusting, but I've already paid for it, so now I have to eat it. And that would be my mum and dad. Oh, we paid for it, you're going to eat it now, which is probably what I say to my kids now as well. But if you let your prospects try before they buy, then you're actually lowering the risk considerably for them. You're inviting someone into your world. You are offering them this opportunity to get something really valuable. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to be able to nurture that relationship. I've had people who worked with me and they said, I've been on your, your newsletter list or your email list, for a couple of years, or maybe it's been a couple of months, but sometimes it just takes time for people to get to know you. And so your job is to lower the risk as much as possible. So my light's just gone off. So allow people to try before they buy. And I really know that this works beautifully. So try before they buy and think about what you could offer today that would be of great value to your prospect, to the person that would be a really dreamy client for you. So I hope that's useful to you today. If you'd like to know more about what I offer to my prospects and my community, you can click below and get your copy of my 20-hour week game plan, the lucrative 20-hour week. This is how you attract high quality clients consistently and create multiple streams of income in your business in the next 12 months. I show you how. So you can grab my free lead magnet, and I look forward to speaking with you the next time. Take care.